Hey everyone, it's Jared with Heat Press Nation, and this right here is not just a regular CAMEO 4. This is the 15-inch Silhouette CAMEO Plus. In this video, we'll be unboxing it and giving you a quick rundown on how to do your first cut with Silhouette's first ever 15-inch wide cutting machine. If you're joining us for the first time, please subscribe and click the notification bell so you can be the first to watch new tutorials, live episodes, and more from Heat Press Nation. If you want to know what to expect with the CAMEO 4, check out our unboxing and first cut video, available on the card above. In addition to the unboxing, we also go deeper into how to do your first cut in Silhouette Studio. Now let's get started. Much like with the Silhouette CAMEO 4, you'll be welcome to visit silhouetteamerica.com/setup when opening up your CAMEO Plus's box. This is where you'll be guided in registering and setting up your cutter, installing the Silhouette Studio software, claiming your free 1-month subscription to Silhouette Design Store, and getting access to your 100 free library shapes. If you've used the Silhouette CAMEO 4 before, setting up and using the CAMEO Plus is very similar. Just update to the latest version of Silhouette Studio, which you can download at silhouetteamerica.com/software. But before we dive into the software, let's take a look at what's inside the Silhouette CAMEO Plus's box. Other than the cutter and cutting mat, the CAMEO Plus comes with everything also found with the CAMEO 4. This includes the auto blade, CAMEO 3 tool adapters, USB cable, and power supply. Next up is a 14 3/5 by 15-inch cutting mat, and a pamphlet with info on Silhouette's latest machine setup page. Last but not least, we've got the Silhouette CAMEO Plus itself. After you get it out of the foam and plastic, you'll see that there are strips of tape and cardboard all over the machine. Now these are there to keep certain parts safe and in place during shipping. Be sure to closely inspect your CAMEO Plus and remove all the protective tape and any other packaging materials that may have been included. Now that we've gotten everything out of the box, we're almost ready to get cutting. Load the auto blade onto the Tool 1 carriage. And lastly, install the latest version of Silhouette Studio onto your computer. Once that's done, go ahead and connect your CAMEO Plus to your power outlet and computer, and then turn it on. As making a first cut with the CAMEO Plus is nearly the same as with the CAMEO 4, I'll be going over the cut process in briefer detail. Silhouette Studio streamlines this process for all supported cutters like the CAMEO 4 and Plus. To be sure that you're cutting for the CAMEO Plus, click on the machine drop-down list to select it. Now we'll adjust the media size. I have a 15-inch wide roll of silver Caesar Easy Weed Stretch heat transfer vinyl, so I'm going to change the dimensions to the max 14.6 by 10 inches, then change the orientation to portrait. Next, we need something to cut. I'm going to double click on one of the 100 free shapes that's included with every Silhouette CAMEO. Now this one should look nice. I'll be pressing this onto a large t-shirt, so I'm going to resize this image to 8.5 inches wide. One thing that helps is adding a weed box around your design. You can simply use the rectangle tool to draw a rectangle around the graphic. Then back to the select tool, select both the graphic and the weed box and center them by pressing the center to page button on the top toolbar. Let's group these objects together by hitting the Ctrl and G keys. This way we can move them together. We'll move these two to the top left corner of the red cut borders. Now we're ready to cut. So next is to load our material on the CAMEO Plus. You can either place a sheet on the cutting mat and load them together onto your cutter, or load the sheet or roll by itself. Since I'll be loading a roll, I'll first place the vinyl up against the two rollers. One will need to be adjusted to the roll's width. I'll push the release lever down, then hold the gray lock button on the right roller to move it above the set position all the way to the right. I'll pull the lever back up, then press the boxed up arrow to load the roll onto the CAMEO Plus. Be sure that you're loading your material with the proper side facing up. Heat transfer vinyl is typically loaded with the matte side facing up for cutting, with the glossier side being the carrier sheet. Once your material is loaded, let's move over to our Send tab in Silhouette Studio. I'm gonna select the Heat Transfer Smooth preset for this cut. But before cutting any new material for the first time, it's important to do a test cut. You can click the test button and the cutter will perform a small test cut. Unload your material by tapping the box down arrow. And if your test cut looks smooth and is easily weeded with the hook tool, you're all set to cut your transfer. If you end up with results that are off, however, continue to adjust the cutting settings until you find what's best for your material. Otherwise, just click the Send button, then click Send Mirrored, and let the CAMEO Plus cut away. My Easy Weed stretch is now cut with the shape. You can easily trim down your roll with the CAMEO Plus's built-in cross cutter. Using the arrow buttons, feed your vinyl roll through so the portion you want to cut is sticking out. Then lock it down so you can easily slice it off by swiping the blade left or right. Now I can go ahead and transfer it onto my t-shirt. But at this point, the CAMEO Plus is ready to cut your next transfer. Much like the CAMEO 4, the CAMEO Plus is powerful enough to cut materials beyond heat transfer vinyl. Though with a wider cutting width, you'll now be able to load 15-inch rolls and sheets onto this wider yet familiar cutter. You can cut materials like heat transfer paper, adhesive sticker vinyl, cardstock, and a whole lot more. As soon as you get your Silhouette CAMEO Plus, feel free to post your first cut transfer on social media with the hashtag HPNCreators. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell to be the first to know when we post new videos. If you have any questions or concerns about the CAMEO Plus, leave us a comment or call us at 800-215-0894. You can also visit us at heatpressnation.com. Once again, I'm Jared with Heat Press Nation. Thanks for watching and keep on creating.